Hi YouTube, this is another board from the LG UltraFine 5KA display, and as you can see here on this one, there's no movement on the Thunderbolt 3 port. Absolutely no movement. It's pretty solid inside, so it's exactly the same as USB ports which are working, but no, so USB or Thunderbolt 3 port has no play in it, but it still has broken pins. So I'm going to show you under microscope. Like, check it out. There is no play whatsoever in it. I mean, a regular play, same play as in other ports, but the metal part has no play. Okay, same as this one. However, it's still broken off. Let me zoom in and show you exactly what I'm talking about. See, one of the pins is up on this side, one of the metal pins, and there's some, let me assist this light so you can see exactly that there's some pins that don't have the good connection. Let me zoom in. See broken stuff? 1 second. So I'm gonna show you under the scope. You can see that I'm moving, at least, you know, there's several pins that are loose. You can see it's moving inside. The pins are moving, so they're disconnected, but the actual connector is pretty solid, so you would never tell by wiggling this connection that this is bad. This connection is bad, but it is. So that's another project to get this replaced. I have a video showing how I do that, and if you need your board fixed, your LG UltraFine 5K, it's a nice display. I'm using one myself. It's a really nice display. So if you lost the connection, if it's not working, it's a black screen, let me know and I'll get it going for you. You can contact me at applepytech.com. Thank you guys for watching and have a lovely day. Thanks, bye.